there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're making homemade pimento cheese. It's great on top of burgers, it's great in sandwiches, it's great as a snack with crackers or pork rinds. Stay tuned, you're going to love this. Today's ingredients are cream cheese, mayonnaise, shredded cheddar cheese, a small jar of pimentos, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. We're going to start our pimento cheese by adding the cream cheese to our bowl. Then we're going to add in a half of a cup of mayonnaise. Then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're going to mix that up a little bit. We're just making that easier to blend with the cheese. So now we're coming in with 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, and it's the fancy shredded, the finely shredded cheese. Okay, we've got our pimentos we're going to add. We've drained most of the liquid out, but not all of it. We're going to stir the mayonnaise and stuff just a little bit off the side. Okay, we're also going to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire, and now we're going to mix again. You want to make sure you mix this until it gets smooth and there's no clumps. Okay, we're going to come scrape the sides again. Please like, comment, and share. This pimento cheese, you can make a sandwich out of it. You can put it on a cracker. You can put it on a hamburger. You can eat it with saltine crackers. You can eat it with pork rinds. We actually went to a restaurant and they served it as an appetizer with pork rinds. And ever since then, that's one of my favorite ways to eat it. You can also put it in cheese grits and make pimento cheese grits. Those are really good for breakfast. Lots of things you can do with this dish. It's really simple to make, no cooking involved, just mixing some stuff together, but it's worth it. It really tastes great. We'll plate this up and let you see it. Please subscribe to the channel. It'll help us grow. Thank you. There you go, a nice little snack, pimento cheese and Ritz crackers. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next video.